they will. And we are all set. Always make sure that you have sufficient amount of cash while you are traveling, because Google Pay and Paytm might not work everywhere. So yeah, I'm just gonna withdraw my cash, gonna buy some food, and hopefully we'll make it on time.
बड़ी गाड़ी देगा।
मुझे ना हमेशा स्टेशन और एयरपोर्ट बहुत अच्छा लगता है, पता है, एडवेंचर का वो फीलिंग आता है। हाँ, current situation update, we are currently in the Pune station right now, and as you can see, with a hell lot of luggage, didn't find any coolie, but afterwards when we thought that since the station, the platform is just right over there, I thought of not taking a coolie because they'll charge like 1,000, 2,000 rupees, and I feel it's like a waste of money, although donating them because it serves their livelihood. I think giving that money to them is also really important. Anyways, right now we have 15 minutes to board the train. I'll be boarding the train and then I'll be speaking to you. And thank you again to this wonderful guy. Thank you, bro. Love you, love you. They told me that they will, drop my luggage for 200 rupees. This is the TT over here. Really cool guy, and he has helped me with my luggage. कब छोड़ेगा वैसे? Time हो गया. So right now we are supposed to leave this station. It's 2:10. It's rushed in. ये नोएडा रुकेगा क्या? अच्छा, दिल्ली में उतरना पड़ेगा ना? दिल्ली में there's no shortcut. Well, and we are officially off.
इसके लिए तो खास बुरा लग रहा है मुझे, ये बौखला गया है.
I have really troubled all of the passengers over there, but everyone was so helpful and surprisingly so well mannered. All helped me with my luggage. I'm so grateful. Thank God I had some food. Otherwise, I definitely wouldn't have the energy to carry all these luggages. Even the coolie, that person also couldn't carry the luggage. It's so heavy. It has a huge number of books and dumbbells and other things like cameras and everything. So I'm carrying the entire world with me. Isn't this the best feeling, guys, to be able to travel? I really feel so grateful. This sense of journey, this excitement brings so much happiness into my life, and I would recommend all of you just go out sometimes with your family or with your friends. You definitely enjoy the excitement, guys. I'll keep you updated regarding all of the situations in the train, how the train is, regarding the cleanliness, the number of stations it stops, and how punctual it is, plus the food and all of the stuff which I would be receiving. God, you're tall, man. थोड़ा ऑटो में तो सीलिंग पहुंच जाओगे. Yo. And as you see, see guys, this is the train right over here, the interiors and all, the basin. We do have a mirror.
Enjoy a sparkling clean toilet.
And also, let's see and check out the toilet.
बेबे को जाके कह दो बिट्टू ने हक दिया.
Oh, it's not that clean, guys. I think we're gonna have a lot of problem tomorrow. This is definitely not the cleanest of all. As you see, I'm having difficulty breathing, and oh my god. I'm just gonna, complete my shit and get on to the bunker. And I've never seen the interiors. Oh my gosh. This is what we have right now. The train is actually not that clean as I would have expected. The Toronto, which I came from, which was from Calcutta to Pune, was rather much more clean than this is. And I don't know whether food is included. Food included, okay. No food included in the train, guys. Situation, as you can see, the luggage is in a really pitiful scenario in the middle of nowhere, and half of the luggage is there and half of the luggage is in the other side of the compartment. And yeah, right now I think it's time to take some rest, and I think I'll meet you tomorrow in the morning. Let's see what happens.
8 Pro.
OnePlus 8 Pro, okay, and this is the Note 10. Oh my god. एक बार ऑन करो फोन को, ऑन करो एक बार. मेरा भी फुल ऑन, मतलब फुल डिस्प्ले है, फुल मतलब नो ये कुछ वाइट होने से समझ में आता है. Oh my god, काफ़ी फुल है. Okay guys, quick situation update. We are currently entering a station right now. As you can see, I'm just so exhausted. I was worrying a lot. I'll be showing you in the morning how I kept all of my stuff in a safe manner, but right now I want to show you something which is really cool. Let's turn on the slide. Okay guys, as you can see, I have locked my laptop bag and my guitar with this lock, and I'll be sleeping over here so that if anyone comes over here and tries to take it, I'll be aware of it and I'll be quickly able to make and hopefully catch that guy. Anyways, right now I'm gonna sleep. Half of my stuff is in the other apartment, so yeah. I don't know which station we are at right now, but I think we are somewhere in Maharashtra. Well, before I go to sleep, I know I'm always saying good night and I don't go to sleep, but there's so many things which needs to be done, guys. I just wanted to inform you that in this train you don't actually get Vasco da Gama. You don't actually get a bed sheet or any pillow, so I recommend taking something of your own. And it's quite cold at night since I'm in the AC compartment, so definitely bring at least some hot clothes and keep it somewhere where you can easily unlock and lock it, so that it brings about that flexibility while you are traveling. And you know how frustrating it is to just open the suitcase and everything is a mess, and especially in a train where you don't have any space. Well, in this train you have a lot of space, but usually it's really full. I'm really lucky that it's not full as of now. So anyways, right now this is my bed, guys, and this is the current situation. I'm gonna sleep, and one more thing, we did get all of these charging points right over there, as you can see. So we got all of the charging points over there, one over there and there. So we have many charging points, so you can support all of them. And yeah, now I guess it's by default you can take it that all of the trains will definitely have some source or the other to charge your phones. No problem at all. I'm gonna sleep right now 100%, and I'll catch you in the morning. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's the next day right now. Just woke up. It's so cold over here. Just crossed a junction. The last junction was man-made junction, and well, as you can see, it's quite beautiful outside, but inside it's really cold. So I think I'm gonna wear something and brush my teeth in the morning. Ordered some breakfast, which is the cutlet. I'll be showing you how it is, but right now I need to use the washroom and it's extremely dirty, and I can't do without using the washroom. It's not worth it because I'll have to stay over here in this car till tomorrow. Tomorrow 4 a.m. in the morning we'll be reaching Delhi, and even after reaching Delhi I'll not be go and get fresh. Check in into the hotel because it'll take some time. So I think it's not worth it to block and not feel fresh. So I'm gonna try to go to the पर एक पानी बोतल दीजिए ना। सुनिए ना, आपका बाथरूम आपको कब साफ करेंगे? अब साफ करेंगे बाथरूम?
नहीं।
बाथरूम बहुत गंदा है।
भुसावल में आएगा।
हाँ?
भुसावल में आएगा साफ करने।
भुसावल?
सफाई वाला चलता नहीं है ना।
अच्छा।
वो बाहर से ही आते हैं, भोपाल में, भुसावल में।
तो कितना दूर है?
अभी मैंने इसके बाद अगला स्टॉप भुसावल।
Bread omelette भी है ना? Took some bread omelette right now. I'm extremely hungry too. Let's see. In Bhopal, that's a big junction. They'll be cleaning the toilet, and that's when we'll be entering the toilet. Be all fresh. Well, I hope the charge is working. Let's check the point out. Voila! It's actually working, guys. Much bad. Now let me show you what we have for breakfast. Would be the one which has the omelets and bread. And let me just show you the content as well, plus the view. I think we are in the middle of nowhere right now. Okay, so that is the cutlet which I had ordered, and as you see, guys, we are going from a really desert place, some jungles and stuff. It has been long since I have done a taste test, but I don't have a good feeling about it, but it's hot. That's the main thing. The omelette is okay. Bread not so good. So I'll give it a solid 4 out of 10. That's the maximum which I can do. If you're traveling to Delhi, I would recommend you trying out the Rajdhani Express because that is one of the best trains in India, along with the Toronto Express. But I didn't get any of those, and as I was in a hurry, I had to do this. But anyways, you shouldn't complain about your current surroundings and situations. We can't do anything. But next time, definitely when we are going to Delhi, we're going to try out the Rajdhani Express for you guys. Well, as of now, the train looks to be quite empty. But I think as soon as we reach Bhopal, there will be passenger boarding in, and I think it'll be all for them. Like as you can see, it's like totally empty. I guess I'm just so lucky, and after the passengers come, they might even tell me to remove my luggage, which is over here, which might be a problem. So anyways, guys, I just decided to have one Maggie right over there, which you can see, and one coffee. Although I would really recommend to avoid packaged foods inside the train, because when you're having packaged foods, you tend to go to the washroom, tend to use the washroom a lot. क्या देते हो आप? Also did order some IRCTC coffee, and actually this coffee is quite good, guys, and taste is not bad. Well, just had a word with the train staff over here. I guess they're really lowly paid and not paid that high, even though they were wearing some torn uniform. Their company, which won't even reimburse that and won't even allow them to buy to it's a coffee. So pathetic, guys.
बड़ा पाव नाश्ता
नहीं अभी तो लिया
अरे कोई भी ट्रेन साफ होने का कुछ ये है वो क्या स्टेशन का नाम है
40 कम
40 कम
40 गांव
40 गांव
मोटर नहीं ले रहा वीडियो ले रहा well and we are out in a station actually it's called Bhusawal Junction and searching for my friend I think he went to get some coffee yeah current situation or updates guys I would like to show you something this is what they were actually trying to sell me inside the station yesterday a pair of gloves and right now everyone is staring at me as usual whenever I'm out with the camera everyone will definitely stare at me but right now I think I can't find my friend as of now where the hell is this guy one thing about this train is that this train doesn't stop for a long time so I need to be quick going in and out so I'll keep you updated with the situation and with the station and as you see guys cleaning is going on over there
आप नहीं खाएंगे
and to be honest with you guys I really can't find my friend I hope that he brought the coffee so let me go and search him before it's too late I wanted to say that this train is actually a COVID special train but the way it's so dirty and so badly maintained it doesn't look like it's a COVID special train by the way but where is that well, you have not officially met my friend. His name is Nagraj. Nagraj, right? Yeah. From Karnataka. And he stays in Haryana. Newly married and he is really happy. I really wish him all the best. Such a nice guy. Offered me something to eat as well. You know, as I was searching for him, where is he? But coffee kahan hai?
कॉफी मिली नहीं
कॉफी लेनी थी ना
एग्जैक्टली
वही तो मैं सोच रहा था कि कहाँ गया बंदा so he offered me a samosa as you can see I'm wearing this UV sunglass because my eye is really paining this is the exact same sunglass which I got from Goa and the quality is really and I always recommend this whenever you're buying something buy something which is good especially for your eyes don't buy those you know cheap 50-100 rupee sunglasses from the footpath it's really detrimental to your eye and what else do we have chai soup let's see what happens chai coffee nahi
कॉफी खत्म हो गई
abhi tea in this train Vasco da Gama is not that good but the coffee was really nice coffee was really super higher than what I expected yeah my friend is also trying out my sunglasses. He's looking like a star, by the way.
That's a good joke.
And now it's just like, man, you gotta have that time where you just like disconnect from.
We have officially got our lunch. This is what we have: some rice, some I guess mixed veg, dal, and what's this? Okay, some type of sabji and roti and some achar. I guess the temperature outside is really hot, but still it feels so cool inside the train because of the AC. Anyways, overall is going quite well, and you know, with my friends over here, I'm not even getting even a hint of how the time is going. You know, if you are in a train and you don't have such a good company, you usually tend to get bored. But today, that's not the case. Really nice speaking to him about his family. He is a newly married guy, and just learning from his experience what are the problems which he is having to face, and what are the things which he is having to learn. So yeah, it's going quite good. But coke का bottle में कुछ और अरे कोई problem नहीं है. Really nice guy. So we're gonna have our lunch, do a taste test, and tell you how the lunch is exactly. Doing a quick doing a quick tasting test.
let's see how it is on a scale of 10, right? Let's see.
टमाटर सूप है मैगी
So we got some paneer over here. That's full of masala and all that, all of the oil and things. I'm not liking it. Next up we have dal. Let's try this thing. Okay. Dal is normal, but not that good. सांभर भी दिया है वैसे. आप फ्राई करना चाहते हो सांभर? They also have surprisingly provided us with some not sambar. Oh no, mixed veg. Sorry, mixed veg, guys. The food is not good over here, guys. Really not good. I don't think we'll be getting any food before 8 p.m. at night. So yeah, I'm gonna have this food right now, and I'm gonna meet you outside. And if possible, I'm definitely gonna show you the view, whatever is surrounding the train, right? और सहयोग बताओ, खाने के लिए क्या स्पेशल है? अभी आप अच्छा दिख रहे हो. We are somewhere nearby Bhopal. Itarsi. Itarsi. Alright. So that's the station and also the name of the place, right? Same place, and it's the mid-hub of India. So anyways, we'll be nearing Bhopal, and I'll be trying to get out of the train and maybe perhaps have something, because in Bhopal for how many minutes will we be there? 20 minutes. Oh, and you have not